Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, thanks for joining us today. This channel is all about chicken farming and our love for chicken as food, where we dive into the world of chickens in the most unique ways. Today we've got something really exciting to talk about. Chicken farming in Kenya. Whether you're considering starting a poultry business or you're already raising chickens, you've likely come across two main types: Kienyeji chickens and modern breeds. But how do they compare when it comes to care, growth, and profitability? Well, today, we're breaking it all down for you. Chickens are a key part of Kenya's agricultural scene. But depending on your goals, resources, and space, the type of chicken you raise can make all the difference. So, let's start by looking at the care of Kienyeji chickens. Now, Kienyeji chickens, also known as indigenous or local chickens, are a huge part of Kenyan farming. They're known for their natural foraging habits. These chickens are perfectly adapted to local conditions and can thrive on a diet of insects, grass, and small grains they find around your farm. This makes them incredibly low maintenance. They don't require fancy feed, and they can be raised with minimal housing because they're tough and resilient. Kienyeji chickens are great for smallholder farmers or anyone looking for a low-cost option. And let's not forget the flavor. Kienyeji chicken meat is firmer and has a richer taste compared to modern breeds. Plus, they're naturally resistant to diseases, which means less worry for you as a farmer. On the other hand, let's talk about modern breed chickens, like the White Leghorn or Rhode Island Red. These chickens are bred for high production, both in terms of meat and eggs. Modern breeds grow fast and produce a lot of eggs, but they come with a few extra needs. Unlike the local breed, they depend on specialized feed, clean water, and secure, climate-controlled housing to thrive. You'll also need to keep an eye out for diseases, which they're more susceptible to compared to their indigenous cousins. And with all these needs, modern breeds require a bigger financial investment in feed and equipment. However, if you have the resources, these chickens can offer higher returns, especially in commercial farming. Now, let's talk about how to make the right choice between Kienyeji and modern breeds. First, think about your goals. Are you looking for higher production or more flavor and resilience? Kienyeji chickens are perfect for low maintenance, local farming, while modern breeds are better if you're focusing on speed and higher production. Second, consider your space. Kienyeji chickens can roam freely and don't need much space, but modern breeds will need more controlled environments to stay healthy. Lastly, think about your time and financial investment. Kienyeji chickens are less costly to maintain, while modern breeds require a bigger upfront investment, but can offer faster returns if you're running a larger operation. So, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. Both Kienyeji and modern breed chickens have their pros and cons. The best choice depends on your specific needs, resources, and goals. Whether you're after the local taste and resilience of Kienyeji chickens or the high production of modern breeds, both can be profitable if you understand their care requirements. Before I wrap up, I'd love to hear from you. Do you raise Kienyeji chickens or modern breeds? What's been your experience? Drop your thoughts and any questions you have in the comments section below. I'm always excited to hear from you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. so you never miss out on more tips and advice on farming here in Kenya. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.